Guys, I just built a website that could realistically make over $10,000 a month, and I did it using 3 simple prompts. Now, before you think that's clickbait, let me show you something. There are simple websites online right now, literally just calculators making thousands per month from ads. No brand, no audience, just a simple calculator. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built one from scratch in under an hour. Without writing a single line of code. Most people overcomplicate making money online. They think you need a big audience, a crazy idea, or some technical skill, but the truth is a lot of money is made from solving really simple problems like this. If someone is buying a house, they're gonna search mortgage calculator. If someone has debt, they're going to search loan calculator. If someone's confused about taxes, they're gonna search tax calculator. These aren't trends, these are everyday problems, which means every single day people are searching for tools just like this. So instead of guessing, I went to Google Trends and looked at what people are already searching for. And that's where I got this idea. Mortgage calculator, loan calculator, tax calculator were the top 3, simple, proven, evergreen. Now here's where things got interesting. Instead of hiring a developer or trying to figure this out myself, I used Base 44. Huge shout out to Base 44 for sponsoring this video. What it lets you do is build full apps and websites just by describing what you want. So I decided to test something. I literally just told it in plain English what kind of site I wanted, what pages I needed, and how simple it should be. No complicated prompt, no technical language, just build me a clean calculator website with these pages. And then I hit generate. And this is what it gave me. A homepage, 3 calculators, clean design, mobile friendly, like this. This already looks like something you'd find on Google. Let me show you this. You can plug in numbers, home price, interest rate, loan term, hit calculate, and it breaks everything down for you. Monthly payment, total interest, full cost, and it even explains what everything means in plain English. This is something I would actually use. And remember, this is just from one prompt. Then I checked the loan calculator, same thing. Tax calculator, same thing. Each one built out with examples, FAQs, and actual useful information. Now, one thing I noticed was this section at the bottom, Financial Literacy 101. The tabs weren't filled in yet, so I gave it one more prompt, basically just telling it complete this section with useful information, and instantly it built out full guides, interest rates, credit scores, budgeting, taxes, not fluff, like actually useful content. And at this point, this already feels like a real website, not a project, not a demo, a real site. So then I asked it, how do I monetize this with ads? And it literally walked me through how to set up Google AdSense and where to place the code, which is how sites like this actually make money. Now, if you don't know how this works, it's pretty simple. You get traffic, people come to your site, they use the calculator, and ads are displayed. You get paid per view or click. And in finance, these ads pay more than most niches. So even with a small amount of traffic, this adds up fast. There are calculator sites out there doing thousands per month just from this model. And this is where it clicks, because what we built here isn't just a website, it's a traffic asset. And this isn't limited to calculators. You could do this with fitness planners, meal calculators, business tools, pricing calculators, anywhere people are searching for answers. And you can build the tool, and the biggest shift for me is this. You don't need to be technical anymore. You don't need to spend months building something. You don't even need to know exactly what you're doing. You just need a proven idea, a way to execute fast. So I'm gonna leave this exact calculator linked below so you can see it for yourself. I'll also include the exact prompts I used so you can try this on your own. And if you want to build something just like this, I'll leave Base 44 linked in the description, because this is bigger than just this one site. This is about realizing how fast you can go from idea to something real, something useful, something that can actually make money online. If you got value from this, hit like and subscribe. I break down how to actually make money using AI without overcomplicating it. This is Zeus Ordaz. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.